Okay, and here is the LM900 snow machine, which is probably the most kind of consumerish. Has a smaller self-contained snow juice holder, as well as simple controls on the back in terms of the volume on off, but a really nice competent control where you can turn the snow on or off, adjust the amount of snow, the LEDs on. You got options between flash, fade, jump, and all the standard colors for that. Let me show you the LEDs in the front. This is what the front of this unit looks like. Looks really pretty cool. This is like a great basic pick it up, put it down in your yard, and you are ready to go, but definitely a much smaller reservoir than the other ones. All right, there we go. A little bit of a breeze going now. This little guy makes a much smaller flake, right? It's a much smaller flake that comes out of it, but for its smaller size, it is absolutely pounding the snow out and throwing it a really far distance. I think the LEDs are super cool too. Oh, that's so cool. All right, if you want this little guy, you cannot possibly go wrong. This thing is so consumer friendly, ready to go. Honestly, for the same amount of juice, it runs longer than the more bigger commercially kind of units. Has the LEDs in it. Absolute great choice. There's a link here on the screen or down below. And actually that one down below will have links to all of them just so you can see in one common link. Hope that's helpful. Remember to like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions about it. I hope this is helpful. We'll see you in the next video.